What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley and today we'll be slaying this beautiful wig from start to finish. And as you guys can see, she came out so good, so you'll be able to watch me from start to finish and see how I achieved this beautiful slayed lace wig install and style. This one does come courtesy of Helarocky Hair. Now, I've never worked with this company before. This was the very first time, and I will say that I really do like what they provided. So this one here is 20 inches straight, 13 by 6 HD lace frontal, 200% density, and the most important part is that this one is super affordable. I believe for this one here, it's like in like the $240 range, which for an actual lace wig, and I did not even pluck and tweeze. It came this plucked already from the company. That is absolutely amazing and a steal. And to add to that, they also offer drop shipping. So if you're interested in starting a business and becoming an entrepreneur and a boss, you can definitely reach out to this company and you'll be able to start your business in no time and not even have to house your own inventory. So isn't that fetch? But I don't want to talk your heads off. If you haven't already, I would love it if you go ahead and subscribe and become part of the tribe. Now let's jump into the video. Okay, really quickly, I want to show you guys what the wig looks like on. Super beautiful. Love the way it lays. Again, this is a bone straight lace wig, so it won't be nothing to, you know, silk press it out at the very end of the install. I will say the lace there's a lot of lace, so we're gonna go ahead and bond her down. My favorite part so far is how pre-plucked the hairline is. Also, the knots are bleached, and then the lace just looks so good against my complexion. So I'm gonna flip the cap back, apply my adhesive. I think we're gonna go with the bold holes today.
I'm okay. I don't see the light of day. Looking up to higher ground, thinking that'll be your sweet escape. These days gotta schedule the romance. They say that love is a slow dance. A short bike ride to the crib using no hands. Oh shit, it feel like I'm floating, but I'm falling with both eyes closed when I let the world spin. Testing the water, she got my nerves tense. Back when I ain't even have a purpose, I was so eager to learn some things. Anxiety bring out the worst in me. Society paint me as enemy. My niggas making it by that remedy. I'm more occasional, don't do it regularly. Backs under my eyes, weighing down heavily. Mama been worried, the devil allegedly deep in the plan. Subconsciously wanted it since I was 10. I thought I was sharp on my scroll and my pen think it did. So mama found shit at them legs. She told me that's not who I am. But nowadays I put on for the fam, see her when I can. I'm surrounded by my feelings, I'm stuck on a Ferris wheel. I bet I perish at 140 acres. She want the horse and the carriage, a porcelain portion, the garbage. I talk to the mirror, I know that life's not the fairest. I lost my can, I can't pay off the bills with the blessing. Not sure I relate to the Reddit page. It's feeling like money is everything. Money is everything. It's everything I need. Till I lay my eyes on you. Hella shameless, necklace on me decorated. All this got me feeling jaded. Hold up, I'll be waiting. Bad thing on my radar. Told me that I'm in a playlist. Flower bomb, she a lotus. I be thinking that I'm famous. I remember when I prayed for this. No sleep, cause I'm anxious. All this for entertainment. Crazy thinking that it's day one. All this spinning for the taking. Yeah, hold it down for the nameless. Yeah, oh yeah. I've been on a grind, yeah. Like I'm really on the rails. My life is on the line, yeah. I've been getting mines in. I've been on to you. Nothing left to lose. Get into the bag, yeah. I've been on to you. I'm seeing how you move. Imagine all the things we get into. I need you to put me all the way. I need it all, baby. Let me see you drop it. Make sure it's all the way down. I'ma keep it solid. If you hold me all the way down, if you pull me all the way, I need it all, baby. Let me see you drop it. Make sure it's all the way down. I'ma keep it solid. I'm with you all the way.
Okay, I went ahead and bonded the wig down. Now this one did take a little bit more effort than I expected, and I'll talk about that a lot more at the end of the video and explain why. But for now, I'm gonna go ahead and take the elastic and I'm just gonna bond the wig, not bond the wig down, I'm gonna set the wig. So this is not something that I've always done with my lace. but I do like the result when I do. So I'm just going to take another good spray of adhesive, and this is a non-glue adhesive, and I'm just going to saturate that at the elastic band, and then we can go ahead and maybe straighten the hair and decide on the parting. You gotta pull out that dynamic duo. And the good thing is I'm gonna pull the wig a little bit or the elastic a little bit forward so I can work on like all of the hair. But you guys see how nicely this one is pre-plucked, that it looks really good right there. I kind of want to do a side part, but like a flat side part, not Aaliyah vibe, but Aaliyah vibe. I want this wig straight, so I don't want to necessarily have like volume up here. I want it like this, but I want this to be like bone flat and like a curved parting. Hopefully what I'm saying makes sense, but if it doesn't, let's just go ahead and do it and see if I can execute it, because I don't feel like I executed as well as I could. So let's just take our time and see what we come up with.
Why always me? Ooh, like I'm Balotelli. Ooh, why always me? Ooh, like I'm Balotelli. Telly, yeah. Why always me? Ooh, like I'm Balotelli. Ooh, why don't you see? Ooh, tryna call you Telly. Yeah. People act like they know me, but you don't really know me. I've been out here on my own. I've been grinding all alone. Yeah, get up after 9. We can pour out the wine. I got cash on my mind. Yeah, I don't really mind, and I don't have the time. Every day I go out, every day a new route that you know nothing about, nah. Why always me? Ooh, like I'm Balotelli. Ooh, why always me? Ooh, like I'm Balotelli. Telly, yeah. Why always me? Steady on my grind, I've been keeping me on leash. Why nobody see that I'm like Balotelli? Trying to get up on myself and nobody gon' help me. No, yeah. I don't wanna be alone no more. Lately I've been hanging in my condo dorm. You've been hating on me for too long though. I'm just trying to get up on Ballon d'Or. Why always me? Ooh, like I'm Balotelli. Ooh, why always me? Ooh, like I'm Balotelli. Telly, yeah. Why always me? Ooh, like I'm Balotelli. Ooh, why don't you see? Ooh, trying to call you Telly. Yeah. Look, I'm about my pledge, bitch. I'm decked up on blue bills, and I won't stop until the cash pit look like fall leaves in a backfill. Tell her out of my face if she coming with that bullshit. Quit to save my peace, I'm so after school special. She brainy, but them jeans looking like paint. I gotta bless her. Niggas talk a whole lot, knowing damn well they really can't press us. I notated on leaflet, I'm really up a few levels with it. Like way out the way from them, can't see me, you can't meddle with us. E&J in my Earl Grey hood bunched up with the cheese eggs and a dumb face, no stunner shade still turned up. Been had it poppin' in broad day, that's Avi. Flower child from the sun rays, but I run fade, got a punch drunk. My Providence, they don't love us, they rather treat us like an animal. They wonder why we on ape shit, escaping shit, I'm off the cannabis. Middle fingers in tandem, going tantrum, yelling fuck 12 with a big smile, young phantom. Hi mom, I'm on camera.
Okay, so I went ahead and took a break. I've been gone probably for an hour and a half. Made the girls some breakfast. Dominic is not feeling 100. Not sure what's wrong with her. She's just really sleepy. I'm on coffee number 2 for today. I did kind of train the hair to go backwards, but now I want to train it to go forward because I want to do that really nice swoop like so. So let's just work on it and do it like this. And I like it when it comes low, like right above the eyebrow on this side. Then also I set out these sideburns. So let's just speed up and do all of this. I don't know if I'm okay. I don't see the light of day.
Looking up to higher ground, thinking that'll be your sweet escape. These days gotta schedule the romance. They say that love is a slow dance. A short bike ride to the crib, using no hands. Oh, did it feel like I'm floating? But I'm falling with both eyes closed when I let the world spin. Testing the water, she got my nerves tense. Back when I ain't even have a purpose, I was so eager to learn some things. Anxiety bring out the worst in me. Society paint me as enemy. My making it by that remedy. I'm more occasional, don't do it regularly. Backs under my eyes, weighing down heavily. Mama been worried, the devil allegedly deep in the plan. Subconsciously wanted it since I was 10. I thought I was sharp on my scroll and my pen think it did. So mama found she to them legs. She told me that's not who I am. But nowadays I put on for the fam, see you when I can. I'm surrounded by my feelings, I'm stuck on a Ferris wheel. I bet I perish at 140 acres. She want the horse and the carriage, a porcelain portion of garbage. I talk to the mirror, I know that life's not the fairest. I lost my can, I can't pay off the bills with the blessing. I'm sure I relate to the Reddit page. It's feeling like money is everything. Money is everything.
So fine, I can't get you off my mind. Ooh girl, nah nah. Ooh girl, nah nah. Baby girl, don't need to flex. Dance to the rhythm and you do all the rest. Ooh girl, nah nah. Ooh girl, nah nah. Fly me up with dreams, the only thing I need. When I'm down, lift me up with your company. There's no telling what you and me creating. We're on the same wavelength. Feel the beat tonight, something good inside. Set you free, let you lose all track of time. Come on, have a conversation. Don't treat me like a stranger. You give me motivation, make my life vacation. When we are together, I surrender. Give you all my money.
Okay guys, I am officially done with this look and I'm absolutely pleased with the results. The key to a look like this is simply to make sure that it is as flat as you can get it, and making sure your flat just doesn't stop at like your install. Like a lot of it is like after I'm done with this, if I have to like take care of the kids or edit or clean the house, just putting a nice big headscarf around the top. You can use a bandana and just go around the top, or you can use like your silk or your satin hairscarf and just put it around, which is my favorite, and bring it back around and tie it and kind of get it as tight as you can. And that's going to keep all this as flat as possible. Of course, on top of like you being able to use your hot tools. Now this one is 20 inches in length, HD lace. I believe they said this one is 200% density, and I'm feeling it. My favorite part about this one was the fact that the hairline did come pre-plucked. You can see how beautiful it looks. And I was gonna go for no baby hair, but you know, it's Friday, it's the weekend. I really wanted to do something that was very me, and this definitely executed that. Back in the day before YouTube, this kind of was on when I wasn't like reviewing hair and I was just like buying one wig or like buying a couple tracks and just like wearing them until I wore them out. This was one of my favorite hairstyles to do, either this or like a China bang, because I felt like this was easy to maintain. Like when I come home, I just put a scarf around the whole thing, let the back hang, you can put it in a bonnet and you're good to go. You can bring it in the front and do bone straight, add layers, or you can add some curls away from your face and that's gonna look beautiful. It's just very versatile. If it's like a rainy day, I can put it back into one braid and that looks cute. Just so many styles and options. You can also put like a bandana or a bandeau or like a sparkly headband around it. You can put some clips right here. Just very, very, very good for like everyday, realistic, practical situation. As I mentioned before, Helarocky did send me this wig to review for you guys. And they did include a handful of goodies, which you guys know we're all for being spoiled. So they offered us some wig caps. They did give me a set of clips, which I think companies are like watching our reviews and getting hip to the fact that we love these. So I went from having none of these to like a whole huge collection, almost too many. They did give me this brush here, which is very interesting. On one side it's an actual brush and on the other side it's a comb. So maybe this will be good for like when I add my what did I use? Bold Hold liquid gold or any like liquid product. I can kind of like work it into the hairline. I think this will work really nicely, but I've never seen one of those before. So if that's not what it's for, let me know what you guys use that for, but that's what I'm gonna use it for. Oh, this is really nice. And then they gave me this beautiful butterfly chain. Now that I have a lot more space, I really wanna get back into jewelry and being able to like set my jewelry up in like on different days, do different fun jewelry, because you guys know I'm always in my diamond studs and like my diamond chain. I really don't switch it up just because the way I had my jewelry stored at my old house, it's just like I couldn't see it, and it just was just easier just to do this, especially with small kids. And then there's a little bag here, and I think it has some additional goodies in it. So we got 2 packs of lashes, which they're nice and full, so I'm here for it. I'm actually gonna leave these right here because when these get old, I'm gonna go with those. Oh, they really spoiled me and hooked me up. So this is a pair of like chandelier earrings. They're gold and they have a little bit of silver to them. I'm not sure if you can see them, but they're super cute. And then this here is a pack of hoops, which we all live for. So we have 3 different sizes: the small gold hoops, the medium size, or I think this is the biggest size in the middle. They're actually rhinestone. I think I want to actually wear these. And then just another pair of plain hoops. But yeah, I really loved this wig. Again, I really loved the lace on this one and how it came out without me having to pluck or tweeze anything. The lace itself, it was nice and full and had a nice body up top. But I'm happy that I was able to slay and get it to lay flat all on its own. The length, the density, everything is chef's kiss. So go ahead and check out Helarocky. Link and details to this wig are in the description box for you guys to check out. Of course, I also have listed links of everything I use to complete this look down there as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches. Don't slip on the trail. Don't slip on the trail.